how you can go from 10 pull-ups to 80 pull-ups using a method you've most likely never heard before. You might be doing pull-ups regularly but still not seeing the progress you want. The problem isn't your effort, it's the approach. After you apply this technique, you'll understand exactly what was missing. It's a powerful piece of knowledge and it's yours for free. This method is challenging and it will test your willpower. But if you follow it, your pull-up numbers will increase faster than you think. There is one non-negotiable rule. You have to stay consistent. If you try this only a couple of times and then quit, you simply won't see the growth. If you give up when things get difficult, then you're not ready for a real change. But you're still watching, which means you're serious. The method is called the weighted progression method. You need to be able to do at least 10 pull-ups. If you can't do 10 yet, make that your first goal before moving on. Once you can do 10, instead of just doing more and more bodyweight reps, you're going to add weight to your body. It sounds backwards, but adding weight is the secret to unlocking higher reps. Here's why it works. When you do bodyweight pull-ups, your mind hits a mental failure point. You might do 10 reps and feel a burn, so your brain tells you to stop, even though you likely had 1 or 2 more reps in you. When you add weight, that familiar failure point changes. You might only manage 2 or 3 pull-ups with the extra weight. But here is the crucial part. When your brain tells you to stop, you must push for 1 more rep. This is where you break through your limits and build real strength. You can add weight by using a weighted vest or by carefully placing weight in a backpack. Finally, remember that growth happens outside the gym. Take rest days seriously, prioritize sleep, and fuel your body with nutritious food. Without proper recovery and nutrition, your results will always be slower. Master this, and you will build a foundation of strength that will serve you for years to come.